So downtown Auckland about to be lit up by this multi-million-dollar fireworks display. Auckland's Viaduct Harbour.
Absolutely full to capacity.
Downtown Auckland, the wharf area as well. So
Many people have been waiting many hours in downtown Auckland to see this.
sure have, Wendy. Every vantage point around the city taken from about 2 or 3 o'clock this afternoon. Not to mention the 60,000 wedged into Eden Park for the All Blacks v Tonga. Scattered throughout the central city. A wonderful way to finish what has been a very special Rugby World Cup opening ceremony.
What an evening.
I don't think the organisers could have asked for more perfect weather. Very still for these fireworks to be let off into, and it's been a beautiful day in the city of sails today.
Very magical, very Kiwi. Makes it very proud to be one tonight.
The opening ceremony had it all, didn't it? To signify the multicultural ways of New Zealand and the Pacific Islands, and with a strong focus on rugby as well.
Yes, the opening ceremony told a very New Zealand story, didn't it? A unique place in the Pacific and in Australia, the coming together of countries from around the world in the pursuit of rugby's greatest prize. And inspiration was taken from Māori culture and protocols.
Arrived much earlier today, and the crowds have been there all afternoon. And I don't when you expected that many people down in downtown Auckland.
They had to tell people to stop coming.
They always expected 60,000 here for the opening game, but to see so much support for this tournament and New Zealand and what is ahead of us in the next 6 weeks is magnificent.
It's a musical extravaganza this evening. We've heard from Tim Finn and Dave Donovan. There is a cloud.
The cloud, the much talked about cloud. It's a very good facility and is going to be used well and truly every day through the World Cup.
Try not to stand out. I used to try not to talk too loud. Now everyone can see what's come over me. 'Cause I'm street wrapped up in rain. Turn down the heat, try to get through the day. Now it's all over town. I was lost, but now I'm found. 'Cause I'm
fireworks display downtown Auckland and at Eden Park where we are is coming to its crescendo. It's been a very special night for New Zealand, that's for sure, and a truly splendid opening ceremony, all the right touches, and now we wait finally for the rugby to begin. Kick-off soon between the All Blacks and Tonga.
Very, very soon. The 60,000 fans here at Eden Park are waiting. They're very, very excited down on Auckland's waterfront. Well, the fireworks, they just keep coming, don't they? They are truly spectacular. Caps on a truly wonderful event tonight. Standing by as a special guest, Jonah Lomu will be in the studio very shortly.
Fantastic. He was a surprise special guest at the opening ceremony, and what a privilege we have. The man who set the World Cup alight in 1995, the superstar that is Jonah Lumu. Thank you so much for joining us, Jonah.
No, it's great to be here.
63 tests for the All Blacks and 37 tries. Tongan parents but raised in Mangere. You got a foot in both camps. Your heart must be moving.
Well, no, you know what? I'm a proud Tongan by origin, but I'm through and through All Black supporter. So, you know, it's, the thing is, I am proud to say that I'm Tongan. But, I grew up in New Zealand. You know, I started off in Tonga, but then, but I'm proud of my heritage and absolutely love it. And I honestly wish the Tongans good luck. And mate, I'm sure there's going to be fireworks.
How was this? Was this amazing?
This is amazing. And the thing is, you get to see so many different nations all here at once.
Yeah.
You know, so that just
the world
shows
has
how
come
great
there, hasn't it?
The world has absolutely arrived.
Now,
here.
look, I'm sure that a lot of people are going to ask you over the next weeks, can we win? And you're probably going to answer, yes, we can. But what is so different this time about how we can win?
I think the difference with this time is that it's in our own home backyard, but also at the same time, there's that, we don't worry about, the pressure of actually having to win has taken a bit of a backseat towards what's happened in Canterbury and everything. So,
yes.
It's given you, a different sort of sense of, of pride. So, these guys will go out there and give it hammer and tongs, and the support of New Zealand, just get out there and support your team.
I was going to ask you that, is there anything we can do as fans that might help? Because we would do anything.
Mate, just wear your jerseys, wear your colour, bring some noise, and just show them the best of New Zealand. There is 2 billion people watching our country.
Yeah.
And we've just given them the most amazing opening that they could find from a World Cup. And I'm absolutely proud to say that I'm a Kiwi, Tongan of origin, and I'm getting to see two nations that I absolutely love go head to head.
He is the greatest try scorer in World Cup history with 15 and still has it, and long may that record stand. You have done us so proud, and thank you so much for coming
Cheers,
up,
mate.
big man. Eh?
Good to see you.
And you are not going to get back to your seat without getting mobbed, I know that. Eh?
That's all good.
We'll be back after the break, ladies and gentlemen. Jonah Lumu with us as we build up to the big game. This is it. It's Rugby World Cup 2011. The All Blacks versus Tonga.